I would definitely recommend this product for none other than the ease of use. You've already established and you know that customer testimonials or video content is obviously very, very highly recommended and useful and all that. Take all that aside. They have built a platform that I feel is so intuitive, so easy to use that anyone can use it. You don't even really need to know how to do it. You just want to follow the tutorial or the steps of creating a video. And to me, ease of use is why I recommend this product. So we use testimonial videos in a lot of ways. One, we do a pre-interview on prospective employees. We do testimonial videos on customers. We also use it to send messages to employees from myself or other execs on some event or some coordinated action the company is doing. So we've used it in more ways than you guys have even prescribed, and we keep finding new ways all around on how to do this.